Hello wonderful people, my name is Santiago and today I'm going to show you guys how the calendar works in Canvas. So first things first, while you're on the dashboard, go over to the calendar icon over on the left hand side. Click it, and then you'll be presented with the default monthly view of the calendar. You can change between week and agenda view of the calendar. I prefer to keep it at month. You'll see all these colored boxes, and these indicate assignments and quizzes from the corresponding courses that are color-coded on the right-hand side. To hide any assignments, deselect that class by clicking on its colored icon. Do the same again to make it reappear. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.